Hello from McNally Motors, Longford. Just like to show you our 172 Prius hybrid luxury, finished in silver with alloy wheels, front fogs, bodywork in perfect condition. This car comes with remote center locking, electric windows, electric mirrors. This car is in the low tax bracket, 170 a year, taxed until next June and tested until July 23. This car has also very low mileage of 39,000 kilometers. Very spacious boot. Reverse camera. Here in the back we have Isofix seats, center armrest with cup holders, plenty of legroom here in the back, electric windows in the back. So up front we have center armrest, cup holders in our center console, two-tone finish on our dash, multifunction steering wheel, touchscreen radio, reverse camera, air conditioning, lane assist, collision alert, Bluetooth. Just some of the extras the standard on this car. Automatic lights. So that's our 172 Prius hybrid luxury. For more details and finance options, if you call our sales team here on 04333 45621, they will help you out. Thank you.